Hello, in this video we would like to show you the filter system in the plugin. The filter works on data that is shown on the main screen. In turn, you can define what you want to see on this page using the settings. We have a separate video on this topic on our channel, take a look if you haven't seen it yet. There is a search line, where you can enter customer data to find the reservation you want. You can search by name, customer phone number, reservation number. Next, we see a filter by dates, and you can choose from the options provided or set a specific date. In the next filter, you can specify the reservation and what period of time you want to see. For example, set the time from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. It is important to note that the filter works by the start time of the reservation. It is also possible to use a filter by tags. So, for example, you can quickly find your regular or VIP guests. There is also a function on the main page that allows you to print all reservations for a specified period of time. To do this, you need to click on the menu button in the upper right corner. Then click on the menu item Print. This page displays the data that you have set in the filters. There is also a convenient checkbox on the left side to mark that guests have arrived, and then transfer this information to the system. We would also like to draw your attention to the buttons under the reservations. The refresh button allows you to manually refresh the data. By default, they are refreshed every 15 minutes. The button in the middle can be used by you if you have problems or want to suggest ideas for the functionality of the plugin. Here you can take part in voting. The third button is a link to Facebook where you can find out about our latest news. Subscribe to learn about all the updates. We also have new functions. Now, in order to switch to the waiter dashboard, you do not have to go to the Settings tab. Now simply by hovering over ReDi Reservations you can click on the new button Waiter Dashboard. The fourth button Back to Dashboard also appeared on the main page itself. And also if you go to the settings, you can optionally disable the Feedback and Support, and News buttons, which are displayed below by default. If you have any questions, contact us directly, we will be happy to help you. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and write in comments below, which videos you would like to see next.